Introduction. Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you tired of slow-loading websites and poor customer support from your current web host? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing the top WordPress hosting features to look for when hiring a hosting plan. Stay tuned to learn how to choose the best host for your website and take your online presence to the next level. Feature number 1, fast loading speeds. When it comes to website performance, speed is key. A fast loading site not only improves user experience but also boosts search engine rankings. Look for a host that offers fast loading speeds, ideally with SSD storage and a content delivery network, CDN, to ensure your website loads quickly for visitors worldwide. Feature number 2, security measures. Security should be a top priority when choosing a web host. Your host should offer robust security measures such as automatic backups, anti-malware protection, and a web application firewall, WAF. Additionally, make sure they have a good track record of dealing with cyber attacks and have a clear policy on handling sensitive data. Feature number 3, scalability. As your website grows, your hosting needs will change. Ensure that your host can scale with your business by offering flexible plans that accommodate increased traffic and resource demands. Ideally, they should allow easy upgrades and downgrades without requiring you to switch hosts. Feature number 4, reliable uptime. Uptime refers to the amount of time your website is available to visitors. Look for a host that boasts high uptime rates, preferably above 99%. Downtime can lead to lost sales and damaged reputation, so don't compromise on this feature. Ask about their server maintenance schedules and check reviews to gauge their reliability. Feature number 5, excellent customer support. You never know when you might encounter issues with your website. Choose a host that provides exceptional customer service through multiple channels like live chat, email, or phone. Test their response times and helpfulness before committing to a plan. Feature number 6, easy WordPress installation. If you're using WordPress, look for a host that offers one-click installations or a managed WordPress solution. This saves you time and effort while ensuring optimal configuration for your website. Some hosts may even provide pre-installed plugins and themes to get you started. Feature number 7, affordable pricing. While investing in quality hosting is essential, it doesn't have to break the bank. Compare prices among different hosts and consider the value you receive for your money. Be wary of cheap options that skimp on important features. Balance cost with the quality of service. Conclusion. Choosing the right web host can significantly impact your website's success. Keep these 7 must-have features in mind when selecting a hosting plan, and remember, don't settle for anything less than the best. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting! Call to action. Are you ready to migrate to a better web host? Use our affiliate link in the description below to sign up with our recommended provider and start enjoying improved website performance today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one.